To use reverse wireless charging on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and you want to go to battery. And then here in battery, we can find wireless power sharing option. We can also tap on the option itself to find some additional information and also the setting for battery limit. Now, of course, if I tap on the switcher, I'm gonna activate the wireless power sharing option, and then I can place another device on top of the back of Galaxy Z Flip 8 to start charging that other device. Of course, that other device that you want to charge with your Z Flip 8 must support wireless charging. Besides that, before I actually turn it on, it is also worth mentioning that you can add the wireless power sharing option to the quick settings panel for easier access. If you tap on this pen and then go to add a control, then over here in battery and performance, you should be able to find wireless power sharing options. You can, for example, press and hold your finger and then drag it and drop it anywhere you want it to be. So now let's see. I'm gonna turn on wireless power sharing, and I think the best way to actually use it is by just closing, folding the Z Flip 8 just like that. As you can see here, we have ready to charge, and this is where we need to place our device that we want to charge with our Z Flip 8. Let me put this box to the side. Over here I have a phone that supports wireless charging, so now we just have to simply place it on top of Z Flip 8, and as you can see, it works straight away. Of course, you might need to slightly adjust the phone at first to figure out where exactly you need to place it, but it should be pretty easy. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.